Hi, I'm Kim, the Digital Resources Programmer here at Central Arkansas Library System. If you are into crafting and art, or you want to get started, CALS has just the database for you. CreativeBug is an online tool offering videos that teach different creative skills and techniques, such as painting, sewing, knitting, and so much more. To access this resource, head to cals.org and click on Research Tools. In the subject box, click Art, then click the Go to CreativeBug button. Type your library card number, then click Login. You'll be prompted to enter your name and your email address and create a password. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the Explore page. Here, you'll find recently released class videos, videos you have started but haven't finished, and recommended videos. At the top, you'll find the following: classes, daily practice, learning journeys, and resources. In classes, you can find classes broken down into categories such as sewing, quilting, needlework, and so much more. You can even find classes for kids in the Kids Plus Teen category. In the daily practice section, you'll find projects that are meant to motivate you to turn an art or craft skill into a habit, giving you the repetition you need to build your skills at painting, crocheting, or whatever else you're interested in. You'll follow an instructor for a week or month to complete the project piece by piece. Learning journeys are for those of you who like to master a larger set of skills, like home sewing or quilting 101. CreativeBug curates several classes and in a sequence so that the knowledge from each class builds on the previous one. Finally, under resources, you can find specific instructors and the classes they've hosted, patterns and printables you can use, information about upcoming live events, and more. I think you'll have fun exploring CreativeBug, but if you have any questions, please contact us at elibrary@cals.org or call us at 501-918-3000. Have fun, learn a new skill, and let's get creative.